All right, so what was our last topic? Can you still remember what we did last time?
Yeah, the introduction of you just gave me a review of the CorelDraw introduction, and we we quickly review the interface.
Okay.
So we are done with the interface, and you started with the pick tool, with the tools. So we have already talked on the pick tool and enter shape tool. Then we'll stop there.
All right, so we will just continue from the pick tool or from the tools. So I will just still do some revision on the tools, but I don't know um how many tools we have covered before. So I will know. I know very well that
Just the pick tool and the shape tool, but I was trying to get some things we did at the shape tool, but it was not forthcoming.
okay,
But the color was the challenge I have.
okay.
Like the way when you pick the shape tool and turn it to triangle. So I was trying to do it as you explained that if I delete one node and go to object,
All right, so let me start with the shape tool. I told us that the shape tool is another important tool in CorelDraw, which is primarily used for manipulating shapes to reconstruct shapes. And there are a lot of creativities you can actually demonstrate with the shape tool. Now, we must have an object before we can utilize it. For example, we must have, let's say, a rectangle. It's an object. And then if I want to manipulate this rectangle, that is, I want to reshape it, I want to change it from the current status to another appearance, which could form a meaningful object for me. That is when I can consult the shape tool. Now, but before you can actually use the shape tool, you need to know the type of objects you are working on. We have two types of objects. Either the objects you sketch by yourself or the objects that you inserted is different from the one you sketch. Like, I cannot claim that I'm the one that sketched this object. Now, look at this. If I come to this tool, though we have not gotten there, but I just want to show you the difference between the object you sketch and the object you insert. So if I come to like Bezier tool now, you can see what I'm doing now. This object, I am the one sketching it. It's different from when you come to here, like this ellipse, and then just click. So this one, you insert it. Do you understand that? This one and this one, this and this, they are inserted objects. They are not sketch objects. Now, this is where I'm bringing the differences. If you want to shape,
where did you pick to get that sketch object?
yes, I told you that I'm yet to get there, but I just want to use it to show you. So we are coming from the
Okay.
top. Now, this particular object, this one, you inserted this one, you inserted this one, you sketch this. Now, if I select the shape tool on this one that I sketch, you will see the way it will appear. You can see the way it appear now, which means that I don't need to convert to curve before I start what? Reshaping. But if I use the shape tool to select this one, you can see the way it's appeared. All the edges are shaded, they are painted. Can you see it? Which means that the only thing I can do without converting it to look like a sketch object I can only drag it from here to have what they call corners.
Oh, that particular the effect we can get if we unlock the key. If we're using shape tool, we get it direct instead of going there to pick it.
Sorry, I didn't get that explanation.
Like the curve you just did with the shape
Yeah,
tool
yeah.
was the shape we are getting when we're using the unlock key.
No, that I'm just trying to show you what you can get when you have not unlocked it. It is because we have
Okay.
not unlocked it that all the sides are curving at the same time as I'm dragging it. Because at the moment, the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are seen as one object. So the moment you come to objects and you say what? Convert to curve, you have indirectly separated those 4 lines, which means that now you can manipulate the axis individually. Now, if I drag this one now, you can see that it's no longer affecting other side because you
So
have,
you just delete the node.
yes, you can just double click on the node to remove it. You
Did you
can,
delete the node?
no, 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 no. I just, look at what I did now. What I did is, let me go back again from beginning. I created a rectangle and I go to my shaping tool. Without converting to curve, when I drag this edge, all the sides are following. But I decided to go to objects and convert to curve. Now, if I drag that one edge now, you see that what? The rest are not following. So the advantage of converting to curve is to separate the axis so that when you are working on a particular side, it will not affect others. But if your intention is to affect others, then there's no point of converting to curve. You just simply what? Once you insert the object, just go to the shape tool, then drag from any of the what? The edge. That is one option that I taught you. Another option is at the moment, all the corners are shaded. You notice that? All the corners are
Yeah.
shaded. And I said, even without converting to curve, logically, if you want only one side to curve per time, what you do is that you click on one of them, the other one will go what? Off. Now, when it's shaded, when only one point is shaded, if you drag it, it's only that edge that will drag. Then if I want to drag it, and I'll make sure that only this edge is shaded, and then I will drag it. So this is another default shape you can get without converting to curve. But if you want more flexibility, if you want to be able to control it as you like, then you have to go to objects and do what? Convert to curve so that you can add node. You can see that the way it was before that time, I cannot easily add node. The only thing I can do is to be curving either one edge or 4 edges at the same time, but I cannot add node. Are you following? If it's not convert
Yeah.
to curve like this, you cannot add node. You can see it now. I cannot add node. But if I want to add node, then I have to go here, come here, and then it will be in a node mode. Now I can add node and then drag it, and that will give me a different color. Sorry, a different shape. If I want it to be curved, there's something I show you. If I want it to be curved, because this is straight line, I want here to curve like this. Now, this node, you should know how to convert it from a straight line to curve. So how do you do that? You select the node, you right click on it, then you see what? To curve, because currently it's on what? Straight line. So once you select here now, you now see 2 additional nodes coming on this axis. As you pull them out, the object will be curving. Now this curve is not affecting here. It's only affecting this axis. So if you want it to affect here, this is what you have to delete. If you double click now, you see that what you will now be able to control the whole of that axis. Are you following? So these are some techniques that
Yeah.
you need to know when it comes to the shape tool. It's a tool that you continue to build yourself. You cannot actually grab everything about it because the more you are exposed to different object creation, the more you know how to use it. So there are different shapes. Now, that shape was a rectangle.
Entirely change the triangle. Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
If you want to entirely change the triangle,
If you want to change what? Sorry, I don't know whether it's your network. If you want to change, you say if you want to,
triangle.
to triangle, right? To triangle.
Mm,
Okay, to triangle, this is what you do. Triangle has three sides. Your rectangle that you created has four sides. So all you need to do is to convert to curve. You must convert to curve before you can change this object to a triangle. Go to object, select to curve. Then from here, you will now click on the shape tool. All you need is to delete one of these points. Any one of them will give you a triangle. Then you now use the shape tool to carry it. Maybe you want to put it like this, or you want to put it up like this, or you want it to face down, or you want it to go up. So depending on how you want it, I can bring it down like this as well. Are you getting it?
yes.
Good. So depends on the shape. You can, like I wanted to display now, I can have a circular object like this. Can have a circular object like this. And then after converting to curve,
Cool.
once I drag here, it will give me a different shape. So it depends on the shape you have that you are changing from. That will determine what you can get. So it's just for you to imagine what you are looking up to. Then you now know, okay, like just the way you imagine triangle now. And you were able to know that, oh, if I get a rectangle and I delete one point, that will give me what? Triangle. That is the calculation. You must always know the shape that you can easily work on to get to arrive at the shape you are targeting. Exactly.
Okay, so like this circle, you just use shape tool to be like this. If you want to just make it a half circle, you just go to the
Half
object, change to curve,
half
then back
half circle, I mean? You mean
to
half
shape tool.
circle? Half
Then
circle.
half circle.
Okay, now this is what you will do. You will now deploy another logic. That is why I said it depends on what you are looking at. Now, you are picturing half circle. The logic will be different from when you are picturing triangle. Half circle is that you need something like this, half of it to be cut off. Is that what you are saying? That is what half of it will be cut off. Now, you are not going to use this logic. What you are going to use is that you are going to cut it. So you create a rectangle to cover the part you want to eliminate. So what I'm doing here now is that this part is what I need. I don't need this part. That is why I allow the rectangle to cover the part I want to take off. Then I will now highlight two of them. Then once you highlight two of them, then you will now come here. Remember, we did something like this, where you see a trim and other, or you go to object, you go to shape, and then you see what? Trim. So if I click here, you can see it now. So now I have the half circle. Do you understand it? Like your network is breaking. Can you hear me? So that is all about it. Now, if I want to cut this another half, you can see it's about calculation, the way you are imagining it. If I want to cut this again, then I'll bring this one now and use it
Look to it.
to cover it like this, which means that,
Highlight.
good, which means I want to cut off here. Then I'll highlight both of them and then go back to the object, select shape, and then
The
select.
highlight. Before you highlight, did you go back to pick two?
Yes, yes, yes. Then you cut it up, then you have it. Hope you are still here.
I'm here.
All right. So that is how to use the shape tool. Like I was advising, is a continual thing. You have to continue with it. Keep imagining shapes and keep trying to see how you can get them. So you said from our initial class, we stopped at shape 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I would like you to do now, just to ensure that you are following, you share your screen, you perform some of these things that I just did now. Let me see, instead of going further, let me confirm that first. Start with converting a rectangle to a triangle. Once you finish creating an object, you go back to pick 2. It's very important so that you don't end up creating another one. Okay. Then you go back to the shape 2. Double clicking. Good. Then you can move the other end so that it will give you something like a isosceles or scaling triangle. Drag it from the top point and try to centralize it. No, go back with the shaping tool. You have to still stay on the shaping tool while doing that. Stay on the shaping tool, yes. The top edge, the top point, not the bottom. The top, hold down on it and drag it. Hold it down, then drag it. You are not on it. Place it on the edge where you have that arrow. Hold it on that place where you have the arrow. Yes. Make sure
Like
you
this.
are, yes, that way, good. Hold it down, then drag. Go like this. Make it like equal side. Good. Just for you to know how to move it. You can as well take it down this way, depending on. Okay, so let's go for converting a cycle to half
So
cycle.
like this thing now that moves, if I want to still bring this thing at the center, how do I do it?
Which one? What move? The entire page?
The phrase, like this particular printable side.
You go back to pick 2. Go back to pick 2. Or you press letter H on your keyboard. Letter H. H. Have you pressed letter H?
Yes.
Okay, what can you see? You can see hand symbol. Or you click and drag.
Mm,
Bring it down. Click and bring it down.
okay.
Then you can go back to your pick 2. Anytime you want to move, just press letter H. That one you are increasing it. If you want to move it,
I know.
okay, all right. Now, I said the next task is to convert a full cycle to half cycle. That is your next task. Not from there. Okay, you wanted, okay, go ahead. Good. Once you are done drawing, always go back to pick 2. Then take it in, bring it in. Just carry it and bring it just bring it in.
To the printable side.
Yes. I just want some space so that we can. No, you have not selected the object. Click on the object with the picture. Click on the object with the picture. Click. You are on it now. Just go and touch the object. Touch the object. Touch the object edge. Click. It's just a click. No. No. Moving objects. Good. No, you should know the icon. Good. There is an icon for moving object. No, that one is for adjustment. The one with four side. Come to the object. Move a bit to the object. You will see it. Yeah, just stay on that edge. Let me see. Let it touch the edge, that arrow. Let the arrow touch the edge. That's set. Good. You see that icon? Hold on. You see this icon? This is the icon for movement. Anytime you want to move object, you must be seeing it. We have pressed down the left button and drag. It will go now. Once you have seen that icon, hold the left button down and drag. You are not right-clicking. You are not right-clicking. Are you using your external mouse? That is the mouse you should be using now.
That's what I'm using. Oh, the thing is just doing me somehow.
Okay, that's it's how to use it because you cannot do graphic with that keyboard, the inbuilt. Oh yeah, hold it down and drag. Hold it down and drag. Good, good. All right. Now, go and get the one you want to use to cut it halfway. That's rectangle. First one. So just gauge it. You cannot start from there. Stay where it will cover the part you want to cut off. No, back to pick two. Once you have ended your drawing, you go back to pick two. If you attempt to draw again, to give you another object. Now you can use the node to increase if you want to increase it. Just expand it if you want. No, we are supposed to have horizontal because we don't want to cover the entire cycle. So take it down and expand it from the wideness, not the height. Good. From there, stretch it good. Where you carry it, I just showed you how you can move now. Touch the edge of the object to see that icon, that moving icon, not on the node. Okay, good. Bring it down. Make sure that it's covering the parts you want to eliminate. Good, good. Now highlight both of them. Stay where, yeah, good. Stay where you can cover both of them. Yes, somewhere like that place we cover both of them. Go down, yeah. Now go back to object. Then select trim, select shaping. If you can see shaping, then you click on trim, the second option. All right, then you can take the other one out and focus on the one you want. Click and then take it out. Then you can now go give it color if you want. Now you are going to divide it vertically again. This time around, I don't want to say anything. This same object, this cycle now, I want you to divide it vertically again.
This one inside.
Yes, into two again. Okay. No, that place you are cannot cover two of them. For me, just give me. Okay, so you have to continue to do more practice. Just imagine different shapes and try to achieve them. That is how you can be strong on these tools. So I just want to explain one tool, though I'm not going to follow the order so that you can start using it to do one or two things. If I follow the order, this is where it is. Now, let me just talk about test tool. If we have not taken it before, you need to write notes on it, or maybe later as you normally do it. Test tool. Now, The test tool is used to write tests in CorelDraw. So anytime you want to write tests in CorelDraw, you need to consult this tool called the test tool. It's for writing. Now, there are two types of tests you can actually write with the test tool. We have the graphic test and the document or multi-line tests. We have graphic tests and multi-line tests. So most time we use it most for graphic tests. So I'm going to show you how you can use that same tool for graphic tests and for multi-line tests. Graphic test simply means design a test that is flexible, that you can, change its color, even curve it, do some of these things that we are doing with the shaping tool. So for example, now, if you want to use the graphic test, you just click on it, you click, and then you get the cursor blinking. Once you can get the cursor blinking, you go ahead and type, let's say, prosper.
That's the tool under shape tool.
That is the test tool. The test tool. I just click on it. I want to write graphic
Where
text.
is the test tool?
Are you not seeing? Look at.
Oh, the character.
Yeah, exactly. Good. So now, once you click on it, if you want to get graphic text, you click. You are not clicking and dragging, just selection, and then you write your text. Now, after writing your text, how do you manipulate the text is what I want to explain. That is why I just want to explain only this particular tool in addition to the end of the revision so that you can go and start using. Now you know how to draw shape. You want to write on it, then you'll be able to blend both of them together. Now, these two tests, they are graphic tests. What makes them graphic tests? Because they are seen as an object. How do I know? When you create an object like this, if you want to give it color, you just click on it and select it, right? It will work. The same thing, if I click here now and I select color, the same thing, which means that it's seeing these two tests as what? An object or object. Because if it's seeing them as normal tests, I have to highlight like this, like in MS Word. But if you want to switch, if you want to switch, if you want to switch, if you want to switch it from being recognized as graphic text to normal text, you just double click on it. You now see the cursor blinking. So the moment the cursor is blinking, it means it's being seen as normal text, no longer what? A graphic text. Now, there are a lot of things you can do when it's on graphic text. Number one, if I want to change it to capital letter or the write-up, I'll go to what? Text. Are you seeing it? So from text menu, I'll go to change case. Then from change case, I'll say uppercase. And then I have it all in what? Capital letter. That is one thing you can do. Another thing is, I want to change the handwriting. I want to be bolder or change the style of this writing. So what do I do? Once you are on the text tool, look up, just put your eyes here. Once I click on the text tool, you see some set of tools that will come up. Can you see it now? Which means that what? Anytime you are on the text tool, the command for manipulating it, they are here. One, this is where you can change the handwriting. There are a lot of beautiful handwriting in CorelDraw compared to Microsoft Word because they know that this program is for graphic design. So you can choose the handwriting. You can see that I've changed it now. There are so many handwriting here. You can take your time to be going through them so that when you start designing, handwriting, font is part of graphics. There are some handwriting you use will beautify your design. So you must know you must know at least some beautiful handwriting. You can take your time and go through them and take note of them, mark their name down. So whenever you are doing graphics work, you can easily select them. So that is one thing you can do. Another thing I want to show you is that this text, I want to give it two colors. That is, from here, from this note down, we have a different color from the top. How do I achieve that? I am going to use a tool called Bezier 2. Remember, it was from here that time that I picked the one I was to sketch. Now, the reason I'm using this is that this one allows me to do freehand sketching. So I will just come here like this. If I want the color to be straight, I will just cross it like this. I'll make sure that it comes out here and it comes out here. Now, what I've done now is that I have indirectly created a margin. I have indirectly created a margin.
Which two did you pick?
Now, look at it here. Look at it here. After this zoom
Okay.
to, if you click here now, you see different two there. But I'm using what? The Bezier 2. Now,
Okay.
yeah, so I just want a straight line coloring. That's from here down. The whole of this section should have a different color from the whole of this part. That is what I'm trying to achieve. I don't know if you are still following.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, once you have done that, you will now come here. There is a tool called Smart Fill. If you can't find it here, you expand here. Once you expand here, you will see it. Smart what? Fill tool. Can you see it?
Yes.
Smart Fill tool. Once you click, it will give you both section for fill option and what? Outline option. Fill option is the inside color, while the outline option is the line color. So I want to fill the object, not the line. So I'll click here and choose the color I want to give to the bottom part of that line. So I'll just click here and then pick a color. Let's say I want to pick this color. And then click outside, then go and touch those tests. You see what I'm doing now? Can you see it? So now that line is the reason why the color is not touching
It was
other
not
side.
covering all of them.
So now you come back here. This line was only used to get your target. So you remove it. You don't need it again.
You will press back to the line to go.
Yes, you just select it and press delete on the keyboard. Now, for your information, if you drag these tests now, they are not together. You see, they are not together. So if you want them to be seen as one, you now
To
group them.
highlight.
You group. So how do you group in CorelDraw? Grouping means what? You are combining, you are merging two objects together. This text that you have here now is different from the red one. So, but I want them to be seen as one in my design. So I will highlight them the way you highlighted those objects that time, like this. Then you go to that same object, then you select what? Group. Can you see
Group.
it? Then two of them, anytime you move them now, they are together. They're no longer what? Separated. So you're going to share your screen now. Give me this appearance now. You're going to give me this test design. Share your screen. Once you finish drawing, always go back to picture. Good. Okay, now change the handwriting. Let me also confirm that part of what I did. Change the handwriting of that text, make it thicker. So select the text back to bring out those tools at the top. Now, look up. There is something that is not appearing in your window. The text bar is not appearing. That is why as you are on the text, you are not seeing all those bold handwriting that you are seeing on my own. So how do we bring them? Go back
I go to that CorelDraw icon.
go back. No, not there. Not, that one is only when you are not seeing the window. Now go to window, go to window, go to window, go to window, and then let me see. window. What we are not seeing now, we are not seeing the text bar, right? Okay, don't worry. Right click on the printable area. We'll get it faster there. Right click on the printable area. Then go to view. Go to view. Now you will see how many bar do we have here. Show text. Tools bar. It's supposed to be here. This your version. There are some little changes, but we will get it out because if it's not showing, what you are going to do now. Now, that status bar, go back, go and right click on the status bar. Down, 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 where you have those color. Good, somewhere there. Right click that, please. Let me see. Right click. Good. Now click on text. You can see text after zoom. Click on text. Then good. It's up now. Then stretch it. Open it up from the edge. No. That one will close it. No, just stay on the edge. Come down a little. Good. So, yeah, stretch it. Stretch to your, then come to this side. No. Stretch from here as well. Stretch. Good. Keep going. Stretch. Click and drag to your right hand side. We are carry it up. Now drag it from the empty. Good. Empty space. Good. No. Come down. No. Yes. No. Come down a little. Good. Hold down the left button. Drag it. Keep going. Don't release your hand. Keep going. Hold down the left button and be moving up. Hold down the left button. You have over expanded it to close it. Let me see. Close it. That's not, you were increasing it. I say you should drag it from the center. Go back and bring it. I want you to place it at the top there so that it can always be there. Click. Now drag it down from the edge. You were busy increasing instead of dragging. That is why it has opened up like this. From the edge, the way you were dragging it, the other left side now, from the top now, drag it down. From the top, look for that arrow and drag it down. See what you do. Yeah, hold it down. No, that empty space, good. Hold it down there. Come, don't release your hand. Press down the left button while you are moving. I will tell you when to drop. Not there. Good. That empty space. That is not empty space. So yes, hold the left button down and be moving. Yeah, move down. Don't release your hand from the mouse. Move down. You are not moving now. Hold down the left button and move down. Don't know whether it's net.
It has reached down now.
Maybe I'm not seeing it here because I'm still
Look
seeing
at
it.
it here.
No, I think it's network. I'm not seeing that effect now. What I'm seeing is that it's still at the top. Maybe you unshare.
No, I've already reached down.
Maybe you unshare and share again. Because I'm not seeing. Maybe my network is behind your own. Where is it now? Where is it? You say you have, okay, oh, that is true. Now, oh yeah, move it again. Move. Just hold it down and keep going. Let me see if not that place. That place you have been clicking since. The plain area, yes. Oh yeah, hold down the left button and be going up. Small, be going up. Let me see whether I can see your movement because I wasn't seeing it before. So I'll tell you where to stop. Are you moving now?
Yes.
Why am I not seeing it now? Whenever you are moving, I'm not seeing it. I don't know whether it's network.
But where do you want me to drop it?
You put it on top of any of those ones. Before where you have file, edit, view, layout, object. Just before it, you drop it there. You can actually continue. I just wanted it to be permanently
On the
placed there
screen.
so that each time you don't have to be going to that place and bringing it. But you are not able to fit it there. I have to continue. Just put it somewhere within your working area. You can be accessing the features from there. Just drag it down. Drag it down is as if you have over increased it. It's covering the entire. I don't know whether it's displaying well from your end. Just leave it there. Whenever you are done, you remove it. Now you know how to be bringing it. Now click on that your text. Click on that your text now. Click on the text. Yeah, click on the B to increase the boldness.
Bold.
Now that place you are seeing handwriting area, click there to pick another font. There's a drop down. No, that one is for the size. That one is for increasing size. After that one, go to your left hand side. Your left, your left, your left, your left, your left.
Yes.
No. Is that your left? Maybe the way you are sitting. The other side, the other side, the other
I'm
side,
seeing it.
this
I'm
side.
seeing
Have you seen it? No, not that side though.
it.
This side, this side, this side, this side, this side.
I'm there.
Have area, where you have area, where you have area, where you have area. Are you seeing area on that same bar? On that same, no, not AB. Where you have area, before the size, there is a drop down. Before where
Yes,
you have 2, 3, before where you have 2, 4, before where you have 112, where you have 112, there is a drop down there. Before it, click on it. Can you find before where you have 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, PT? There is a drop down there. Can you find it?
It's not there. Okay, I've
No,
seen it.
no. That one is a drop down. This is what I'm looking for. Then this is what you click to see handwriting. Well, choose that Adobe Gothic STD. Let's make it thicker. Up. So that is where you can change handwriting. In case you want to change the style. Then this is your text now. You overstretch it. You overstretch it. When you are increasing text, you need to understand the proportion of vertical stretching and horizontal stretching so that you don't deform the text. So go back to your pick tool. It is not zoom tool you have to select. Go back to you have to right click now to bring it back. You have to zoom, bring it back so that I can see the whole text. Bring it back, click, click. Now, you have over zoom out now. I can't see it. Go back to pick two because you are just clicking with the, here is the text now. Now, hold on.
Wait.
Just hold on. Anytime your work disappear like this, you want to bring it back. You see that place where you have PDF at the top. After it, up, after the menu. Not this side.
Yeah.
No, you are not there yet. Where you have PDF, that same place you were before now. If you move to your left hand side, you will see PDF. You will see, okay, if you can see 2,209%, can you see it? 2,
Yeah.
that place you are, go to that
Yeah.
place. Go to, yes, that is not what I want to click. I just want to use down to locate it. Good. Click on that drop down. Whenever your work disappear, you come here, select fit, select to fit. Click on select to fit. Good. Anytime your work disappear, just come back to that place, select what?
That number.
Yes. Select to fit to bring it up because that time you were over zooming. That is the reason why the test ran away. So that place bring everything to my view. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Now that you have to close this session. We have to see that test so that you can rule that line. So that you can rule that line, that you can give the color. Then we can now end it there.
So should I close this place?
Yes, close this test now. We don't need it again. Whenever you want, you need it now because I mean you are able to put it at the top now to be there permanently. There is a closing button. There's a closing button there,
Okay.
or you drag it down, whichever one. Then this section that you open now, you need to also close it up. There are 2 arrows at the top to close it up to the color side. No, before that place you were now. No, before that place. The 2 arrows, that place you were now, 2 arrows are there before that cancel. Click on it. No, up. That place you were up. No, don't click until I ask you to click. Up directly. That place. You are seeing the icon, you are bypassing it. That place
This
you are
one.
up of it. Just good. That is the icon. Click on it. Click on that icon. Click. It will close that section. You understand? Now, we are going to pick a line 2 and rule a horizontal line to bisect the text so we can give only the down section color. That is not okay. Right. Okay, that is a Bezier to have it. No, right.
This is a
No.
straight line
Now,
segment.
this is what you do. Click on the dots, so I can see all that too. No, the dots on that place. Yes, click. Click. Good. Now go to Bezier 2. Go back to the dot again. Go to dot again. Bezier. Click. Good. Now start from somewhere. Hit. Just put a point. You are gauging, no. Don't let it touch the text. Good. It must shoot out. Yeah, click and then you touch the click one point. Yeah, go to the other. After the E, just move horizontally. You are not
Should
clicking.
I leave the should I leave the mouse?
No, you are not holding it down. Again, just after clicking, you remove your hand. Then you go to
Okay.
after E and click again. Move to where you have E and click. Where click. Good. Now go back to pick 2. Anytime you finish drawing, always go back to pick 2. Okay, now we want to go for that color 2. That color 2 that we used to paint now. Now go down that way, that place where you have a plus. Go down. The last two. The last two, there's a place. Touch the last two. Let me see what it is. That bucket now. The bucket.
Okay.
Where is your cursor? Where you have the two balls by your left. By your left, not this side, not this side. Move to the other
Is
side.
there?
Opposite. Yeah. I'm not seeing what you are clicking on. Here is your cursor.
Is it where they to put add colors to the color palette?
That is not the place. Move to
The
your
box.
left, your left. Where is the boss? I'm not saying. No, leave the whole of that place. Opposite, where you have your tools. Leave the whole of that place. Come to tool session.
Okay, I'm there.
I can't see. Good. Now touch that tool. Don't touch. Let me see. No, that is not it. Now go down. That plus. Click on that plus. Click. Not that one. Not that one. You have added another. You will have wait first. Click on 6 on title C. That is not you added
Need to
another
bring back the
document
text.
where see you have on title 7 now. That is the new one you added. Go to on title 6. On
I want to
title
bring
6.
back the text.
That is what I'm helping you on now. You added a
Okay.
new document. You have left that place you were working. Where you were working
Mm,
is no, hold on. Where you were working is on title 6. On title 6. Go up. Look at where you have your document now. Up. Let's bring out the text first. Hold on. Can you see Untitled 1, Untitled 2, Untitled 3,
yes,
Untitled?
yes.
Go to Untitled 6 before the last one. Yes. Don't click on the cancel. You click there, just touch the text itself. Click. That is where that means that is not where your text is. Click on Untitled 7. Let me see. That is not it. Just be selecting there. We'll get to where the text is. No, go back. You omitted one. On title 5. I don't think you have selected on title 5. Have you are skipping on title 5. Have you okay on title 5? Okay, that is not it. Was it here you were working? No? Oh God. Don't want us to start again. Let me see. That is why it's good for us to have saved so that we know the name of the
I
page we are
know.
working. Now, yeah, go back to that fit now to fit. Let's see whether the text is here, but maybe it's inside. No, that percentage now, that place I show you. Select to fit. Let me see. It's not here. You'll be selecting those or title one after the other and be clicking on that to fit. One of them will give it to us. I go back to that to fit. Let's see. To page. Don't worry, you can use to page to get it. I don't think it's this one. Check and we have been here now. Just be checking those or title one after the other. One of them will have the test. I hope you have not deleted it too. Just be checking there fast. It to sign up. No. Close to fit. No, it's not here. Go to another title. I check this one. No, it's not here. Go to the next one. To fit. It's not here. Now, see what you do for me. Um, Hover on CorelDraw icon under. Touch that CorelDraw icon under. Let me see. Just hover on it. I want to check something. The CorelDraw icon. CorelDraw
I'm
icon.
there.
Okay, that is where you are now. Let me checking the one that have the text. I hope you can see the text too. This time that we are using,
It's not there.
we'll
I
have
think
used
I
it
will
to
check.
create
Okay,
another
let me
one.
start afresh. Let me watch the video and start
Yes.
afresh.
We'll have used this time to
Then I want to delete all these things I open.
click on them. Click on them. See what you
If
do.
I click, it's not opening.
No, I don't want us to waste time on that. Once you close the CorelDRAW, later it will go. Now, those on title, delete all of them. Be deleting that one. Go back to that on title. Let me show you how to remove them. Click on
From up,
click. Yes, those on
from up.
title now. Yes, those on title that you were clicking. Go back there. You click and here use the
There's
good. Just be touching them and be deleting like that. Oh yeah. Say no, we don't want to. No, you should take it off. Oh yeah, go to the next one. As fast. No. You are adding. When you click on the plus, you are adding. The cancel is what you use to remove. Mhm. Just be watching now because we might get to the one we are looking for. Just no, no, no. Mhm. No, no, yeah, no. Oh yeah, click on document. Let's quickly go there. Click on new document. Fast. Oh yeah, type the text. Click on the text two and type the text. That same text. Test two. Oh yeah, type. Type. Even if you are not saying it well, type. When you finish typing, you can increase it. Percentage you are is small. That is why. Now, that place of to fit, go there and take it to page. That place to fit that you are currently having 56,
should I
50.
should I still do
Yes.
fit
Always
to?
go back. Always go back before you take any other step. To no. To page. You are going to okay. There's 100% there. Abi? Go back there and
Mm,
select 100% so that you can see it bigger. 100%. Okay. Now click on the node. The one of the node of the tester, the top node, and drag it to increase it. The corner. No. Don't use that one. That one will change the form. Use the corner, the edge node. Don't always increase the text with the middle one. It will change the form. Use the corner. Good. Go back. Yes. The corner. Go up now. There are three nodes there. No. Don't use that one. Use that one. Hold it down and drag. Be going up. Be going up. And always use this one whenever you are increasing text. If not, to be changing the form. Good. All right. Yeah, go and change the. You have to bring back that your test tool. You have to bring back that is not where we got it. We right click on the status bar. Down. Right click somewhere there. Just select test. Click on bold. Click on bold quickly. Click on bold. Click. Then change the handwriting. Though it's okay, but just to confirm again. Mhm. Click. Change to Adobe. All right. So now take it off. Let's go for the coloring. Now, take that Bezier tool and create that straight line quickly. Bezier tool. You're already on it. Pick a point. Since that is the tool you used last time to be there, no, pick a point. You know where, don't touch the text.
Pick.
Yeah, good. Oh, yeah, point. Then move. Make sure you are gauging so that the line will be straight too. Okay, no problem. You can go like that. Then go back to your pick tool. Go back to your pick tool. Use your arrow button on your keyboard, the down one, to move the line down. Press the down arrow button on your keyboard. Be pressing it. Press the down arrow button on your keyboard.
After picking the pick
Your
tool.
keyboard. Go there.
Is
You
it after
see,
picking the pick tool?
yeah, the way it is now, the object is selected. Just be pressing the down arrow, just to move the line down a little. Are you pressing the down arrow key on your keyboard? Leave tool alone. It's keyboard I say you should go and press
I'm doing it.
arrow. But the line is it moving?
It's
Okay.
moving.
Yeah, it's moving. I've seen it. Now it's okay. No, take it up. You have over moved it. I just want it to be like at the center. Okay, it's okay. Now let's go for that too. Don't click on plus again this time around. That is what you click. The plus you click was the wrong one. Now go to where you have that color bucket, the two section,
I'm there.
You are not there. You are only going to the color side. That is not, I say tools. That side is color.
Okay.
Come to this side. Then don't
Okay.
click now this time around till I find out that you are selecting the right to go down. The plus under that place you are. There's a plus. Good. That's a plus I want to click. Click on it. I want to check something. Good. Now we want to bring in the smart fill tool because I noticed that you do not have it there. The smart fill tool. Is it here? Scroll down from this bar that came out. Scroll down small. Just hold it down. I'm looking. Scroll down. Be scrolling down small. Hold it on it. I'll be moving gently. Hold it on that shaded portion. Hold it down. I'll be moving small. Keep going gradually. Keep moving gently. Keep moving. Keep moving. I want to know if it is turned on at all. That is all, right?
Yeah.
Outline. Don't click. Oh, hold on. You know, this is your version now. I want to know if you have it there. It should be there, but sometimes it to be hidden. Now, step out from here. Let me see. Just hope I should be able to complete this. Just step out. Step out. Let me see. Okay, now what you do now is that place you click on that plus. You go down. There's a kind of arrow before that to just go to that region. So you'll be touching for me and know the one. Not that one. Go down. The next layer, the next one, the one before that one. There is an arrow before that one. I want to open it up. Yeah, open that place. Let me see. Not here. It should be from. Okay, what you do, that interactive field, that the one before the plus, click on the dot beside it. The one before the plus, the dot, the dot. Yes, that place, but the dot is what I want you to click on.
That one.
That two that you click now, not here. The two before the plus. You are not before the plus. There is a dot
This
under
one.
it. The dot, yes, the edge. Good. Click there. Click on that dot. Click on the dot.
Interactive field.
Yes, that place. Click on it. Click on the dot. There is a dot at the edge of
I've
it.
clicked on it now.
No, is if you click on it to open, click. You can see this is what I'm looking for. You can see the two. Smart field tool. That's what we are looking for. So click on it. The second one. Yes, click. Now hold on. It will bring the color palette up. Let's see. This is your version, supposed to have showed those color at the top now. So you select it now. You are on it, Abby. Okay, so now let me see the color it came with by default. Now go and touch the text at the bottom. Don't touch the letters at the bottom, one after the other. Click on the letter, touch that one, or touch all of them. So
Is ash.
yes, it's there, but you know that my own, there was a place where I was able to switch from. You selected all of them. You would have been selecting, you will have just select the
down part.
the down part exactly. So let's see how we can, something is blocking. It's possible that is there. Let's go back again and click on it. I just want to see that it will come up so that you can be able to change color. Go back there. Click on that dot again. Let's check something. Yeah, click. Okay, now see, something is wrong. I know what is wrong. Just like that, the test two. Go back to pick two. Let me see if I can quickly help you to solve it before I end the class. Right click on that status now. That status bar, the way we brought that test now. Right click there. Right click. Now select properties bar. That is why we are not seeing it. You can see that it's not on. Check it. Good. Now yeah, go back and click on that. Go back and click on, even the test tool now should be out now. No, go back and click on that dot. That smart fit tool. That's where we are going. Click now. Click. Select smart fit. Good. So you can see now we are going to change the color before you go back to select. See what you do for me now. Before you pick, click outside so that the test will no longer be selected. Click outside. Click outside. Go back to pick two. Go to pick two and click outside. Go to pick two. Click outside. Good. Leave the text. Click. Click somewhere else. Good. Oh yeah, go back now. What you do now is just the text, it's just the line you click on. Click on only the line on the test. Click on only the line on good. Oh yeah, go back to the smart field. Go back to the smart field. The dot, the dot, the dot. Smart field. Oh yeah, switch to, I want to give you red. Switch to red. Yeah, switch to red. Click on part of red. Good. Okay, this is what you, oh yeah, click outside. Click somewhere outside. Click outside. Oh yeah, go and touch the text, the bottom only. The letter one after the other. You are not getting it. You are staying outside. The letters. Go back, your pick two. Go back to your pick two. Click outside. Select only the line. Before you go back, select only the line. Only the line on the text first. Only the line. Only the line. You have not selected the line. Good. Go back to the smart field. Go back to the smart field. Now, go and change another color because you're already giving all of them the red. So that's pick something like blue. Or yeah, pick outside. Now, see, this time around, you make sure that you are on letter C at the bottom before you click. Not that you click outside. Yes. I don't know how you are clicking it so that all of them are selected.
The same way you
You were
told
doing
me.
it that time when it was on that default column. Could it be that? Okay, now what you do now, remove that line, create another one on top. Maybe that line is no longer at the top because of that first. Delete that line, delete, click on it and delete it. Click, delete, create another one. Create another one. At least, I just want to make sure that at least as you are doing it like this now, you are getting used to some of these things small. Then click, go to the east side, click, go back to pick two, go back to pick two. Okay, now smart field is smart field. Choose another color. Oh yeah, go now. The letter, click.
Right click.
Yeah, click. Go to the letter H. Make sure you are. Oh, you see it. You are the one doing it wrong. I've seen it now. You are not selecting the letter. You must make sure you can see the way you were on that C. That icon must be on the C, on the letter, not space. It's like you move a little bit from it before you click. It will assume that you are giving it to the entire text. Go back to the pick tool. This time around, you get it. Select the line tool. Okay, let's go. No, don't worry. Don't select the line tool. The battery will still go now. I just want to make sure that No, don't worry. Let's go straight. Let's go straight to the smart fit tool. Okay, let's get it. This is the last step so that
I've not put in the node.
no, 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 leave it, leave it, leave it. I want to check something. Just go straight to your yeah, change to another color so that we'll be able to differentiate it. Oh yeah. Click outside. Now go and select letter H. Make sure that it's on that letter. It's on that letter.
Like this.
Yes, it's on it. Click. Selecting all. Selecting all. Okay, maybe because of
Select
that line.
all.
Yes, yeah, because of that line. So go back to P2. Let me try one more time. Let me try one more time. Select the line too. Select the line. Select the line. Select only the line. Only the line. Now go back to Smart Field. So after the class, we have to continue with it. You are not on Smart. Okay, you are there now. Okay, choose another. Okay, now, oh yeah, this time around, this letter C only, letter C. Make sure that you are on top of it only.
Here.
Yes, yes. Okay, what is happening there? It's like that test. What you do now, you create another test, you try it on your own. I think something is, that first time has already painted some part of it. That is why it's seeing
Mm.
those other one as one. So I have to stop here. So just practice on your own. If you are not
Let me
able
just
to,
go on it. Let me
just
like,
practice on it. All right. So,
thank you so much.
you're welcome.